Hello, good morning, students. Now, today we discuss the next point. And next point is that to know the financial status. Okay, to know the financial status. It means that financial status means what is our cash balance, what is our bank balance, what is our assets, what is our liability. Okay, all these are known as financial status. So, if our assets is more than the liability, is if our assets is more than liability, then it should be said that our financial position is very good compared to the liability. Okay. So if our assets is more than the liability, then it can be said that our financial position is good. Okay. And if our liability is more than the assets, then it said that our financial position is not good. So, the management and owner of a business always interested to check the financial status of the business. So, they always check what is our financial status. Okay, if our assets is double than the liability or more than liability, it is good. But our liability is more than the assets, it's not good. Okay, so the management always try to keep the assets should be more than the liability. So write down in this point to know financial status. Okay. At the end of the year, at the end of the year, we will get we will get all the all the data. What is our what is our as what is our total assets and what is our total liability? What is our total liability? If our assets is more, if our assets is more than liability, if our assets is more than liability, then it can be said that it can be said that our financial status is good. Our financial status is good. But if our liability is more than the assets, but if our liability is more than the assets, then it can be said that our financial status is weak. If our liability is more than the assets, then it can be said that our financial status is weak. So the management always try the management always try keep to keep assets should be more than the liability. Assets should be more than the liability. So this is the important point. So this is the important point is given by or shown by books of account. So next point will be discussed in next lecture or video. Okay. So today I have some examination in school, so there is no lecture, so I am sending this video. Okay. So bye all of you.